has been transmitted by the request of the North American Aerospace Command. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 6:13 p.m. Central Standard Time, NORAD has detected the launch of 17 nuclear missiles heading straight for the United States. It is expected that it will hit their targets in the next 10 minutes. The following cities will be impacted: Jackson, Mississippi; Dallas, Texas; Los Angeles, California; Miami, Florida; Orlando, Florida; Atlanta, Georgia; Nashville, Tennessee; Tallahassee, Florida; Knoxville, Tennessee; Chicago, Illinois; Louisville, Kentucky; El Paso, Texas; San Jose, California; San Francisco, California; New York City, New York; Philadelphia, Pennsylvania; and Washington, D.C. All residents within a 325-mile radius should seek a fallout shelter now. Grab all supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, first aid kit, flashlight, fully charged cell phone and a battery-powered radio or hand crank. If you are in a 10-mile radius of the mentioned area, it is too late to seek shelter. Gather with your family, friends, pets or your beloved items and brace for your end. The President will speak on all stations shortly. This is an attack warning red. I repeat, this is an attack warning red. The missiles that are heading to the targets is only 3 miles away from the target. If you are not in the shelter,